where is Mr. Georgi Krastev? Oh, here is he.
Okay.
Mr. Krastev, please step on the stage. Mr. Krastev is from Milestone System, and he's going to have a keynote speech
Yes.
about
How video technology generate business
sit
value beyond the
here.
security
Okay.
sector. Welcome, Georgi. Hope to listen some
Hi.
good new stuff. The phone is yours. You have 20 minutes. Cheers.
Thank you. Hello, everybody. Like the previous speaker mentioned, for us it's very hard to speak after the lunch, but hope that the presentation will be interesting enough. I'm coming from Milestone. My name is Georgi. I'm sales manager for the region, and we are here with my team to talk about the future and to talk about how we in Milestone see the technology of video surveillance and beyond that. 50% of the population now living in the city, and this is going to be increased in next 25 years. 20 to 25 years going to 70% of the population living in the city. What does it mean? It means that put a lot of pressure on the traffic system, on the utilities, as the previous speaker talking about, a lot of crowded places, and means a lot of challenge for the operators, for the municipality, and how they're going to follow this. Over 1 billion devices are running now into the different platforms, and most of them are related with the integration and getting the information from different sources. But what is the most important in that? The most important in how these data connected and how these devices, they talking each other, how they sharing the data. This is the most valuable, and this is how the vendors and how the producers of the video management softwares are going in that direction. Adopting the technology with the environment is most important now, but the idea is not to serving to the operators. The idea is how to help them to prevent and predict what's happened and to get the information in the details. Here, how is explaining that? We have a city with a lot of different subsystems. One of the control the traffic, one of the waste management, one, for example, for the building controlling, operation of the transport, patrol monitoring, etc. All different systems has different challenge, and they have a different operators. All different challenge are there to solve some issue, or maybe to help in order to prevent some issues, or in order to optimize some processes. But where is the added value? The added value of the open platform and integrated platform like Milestone is to integrate all this system in one controlling center or one system. The bridge between the different subsystems in order to operate and has one unified operating system, solving and helping the operators to solve the issue or prevent the issue or controlling or make the plans more efficient. For example, if we have an incident in the traffic jam, and if this is staying only for the system who controlling the traffic jam, then how the controlling or patrols will understand about the issue, how we can integrate and how we send the information to the traffic lights to change the flow of the drivers. So all these integration are needed in order to operators handling better the issues, or not only the issues, the challenges that they face during the daily operations. But the question is how this related also with the utility sector, or maybe with the transport sector, or maybe with the business in the production sector. They're exactly the same, or more or less. They also have their own traffic system. They also have their access control system for their buildings. They also have a system to manage their, for example, employees. So we can copy the solution and we can copy the challenges that we face in the city on the level of the business. It's easy way to compare, and then the scalable solution like video management system can serve not only for the cities, but they can also serve for the business as well. The previous presentators are talking about the IoT, they're talking about the AI and cloud and all these fancy words. Yes, it's fancy, but also it's something that's coming, and this is technology and something that needs vendors and producers like us to change themselves and become from video management software to video and data management softwares. This is the way that we continue work. How this happened? It's happened with AI. All we know, AI, this is the artificial intelligence, this is the software that actually transfer and get the information for the video streams. And then we can recognize, or maybe different type of objects like car, people, using the machine learning. This is the trend. The IoT, anything can be connected, it will be connected. Of course, more than 60 billion IoT devices are already attached to the video systems, and this is not include the PC, this is not include the camera devices. The IoT actually get the next step beyond the security, because most of the IoT are related with different type of sensors, measure different type of and get different type of information like water, for example, or maybe sensor for the quality of air, or sensor for temperature, fire protections, for example, smoke alarms, etc. Together with the video, we get the next step beyond the security. Cloud. Cloud is something that maybe all of us already using. Even I, sitting into the hotel, I have access to the cloud in order to get the necessary information which I needed, or the data which I needed, or the files. Same it will be with the video, same it will be with the IoT devices. All of them are accessible in the cloud. You can use the cloud, local or internal cloud or public cloud. You can attach your device directly to the cloud. The video will be in the cloud. The management of the video system also can be in the cloud. So this is the next step, and the going very strong in the video surveillance and even beyond the video surveillance. Analytics, as I mentioned, as I told, it's a very close connection between the AI and analytics. In fact, analytics are AI technology. This is the additional added value. This is the, let's say, cherry of the cake in one VMS solution that allows you to customer to create the workflow, to create some what if processes. What if someone with a not allowed access going to that door, for example, or what if someone crossing the red line? What's happened after that? Using the VMS platform like Milestone, it's help you to create that type of workflow, but also you need the analytics on top on your devices. Analytics, they can be installed in the cameras, for example, age analytics, or they can be installed on the server, like server-based analytics. Computer vision. Nothing can happen without the power of the hardware, of course. Even the cloud, no matter this is the analytics or even the IoT devices, we need the computer power, of course. More and more efficient hardware coming on the market, more and more efficient CPU power, more and more efficient graphic cards. So they help us to close the workflow and to fulfill our processes. The previous speaker talking about the cybersecurity and NIS2 regulation. So we need to use our technology responsibility. We need to use our on the best responsible way, because all we know how we can influence, and all we know how the video technology influence our life. That's why we need to follow this and use our video, and not only our, but the technology, the video technology, on the best responsible way. Using all these topics that we discuss, and technology converges between all of them, it's stepping one step further. We're going one step further, and turning the video not only for the security, turning the video like one step before and one step further, like beyond the security. And here I would like to share the slide from Gartner, which showing how actually the hype of artificial intelligence going and where we are. Usually when something's coming on the market, it needs maybe 2 to 5 years just to climb the hill and become very popular, or maybe to entering into the market. Then after 5 to 10 years, usually this is the reach the peak of that product. Then after 10 years, for example, then sliding to the slopes, and then of course became a major product. So as you see, some of the product already major, but some of the AI still climbing the hill, and we are far away to become major. But that's mean we need to continue working in this direction and continue pushing and develop the technology in AI, for example, IoT, and computer vision. Okay. Okay, thank you. Vision ahead. We need to continue working like customer-centric company, and our products need to be customer-centric. We need to listen to our customer. We need to get the feedback from the market. We need to know what customer wants and how they want to, what they want to see on the market, what they want to see from us as a vendor. We need to continue work like truly open platform, because the future is in openness. We need to continue integrate different solutions. We need to continue integrate different subsystems, devices, in order to provide more flexibility in the workflow. Continue working like responsible technology company, and continue develop our products like GDPR compliance. And final, we continue work and build a strong partnership, because this is the way as we reach in the market, and this is the way as we believe we can better and better. Thank you.